Welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether you're a coach, a player, or the owner of the club, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. I'm joined by Ukapteni Karabo Modiga, Gibizu Stiga. Karabo, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Kamela Kababu Talent Medica, ngidlalela iMamelodi Sundowns under 19 yi-captain yakho.
The captain of Mamelodi Sundowns under 19, Karabo Modiga. Karabo, awusitshele kabanzi ngejeni yakho njengoba udlala ibhola udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. Ukuthi ijeni yakho iqale kuphi? Iqale nini? Ubabale ocoach obadlalelile namathimu owadlalelile. Uwabale for ama viewers ethu emakhaya.
Ijeni yami iqale 2023 which was a breakthrough season yami e-Prestige Football Development Academy. Ngile ngama-trial ngawabona ku-internet ngifika laphaya. I was scouted by i-manager yakhona u-Ibrahim. Then ngacala ngadlala ku-Prestige, sadlala ku-Stream. Laphaya ngoba bengimusha ku-GDL, bengithola i-confidence ngifuna ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani. Bese 2024 sathola imusho ku-Stream. Ngasitshela ukuthi be-2024 kumele kube yisizini yami. Ngifuna ukudlalela amathimu amakhulu njengoMamelodi Sundowns. Ngithanda ukubonga uNjuledi nabo coach lapha e-Prestige ngoba yibo ngibhilive ukuthi banginikele i-platform is-express ngoba manje sengithole ngi-scout coach wakuMamelodi Sundowns. So ngithanda ukubonga bona then nale platform abanginike yona ngoba la kukhona ngenxa ye-Prestige ngoba yonke i-platform Mamelodi Sundowns.
Ababukeli bethu Karabo, awuchazela ababukeli bethu emakhaya ngejeni yakho njengomdlali nangendlela wena oscoutwe ngayo njengoba usho wena ukuthi uscoutwe iMamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa ababukeli akazange achaza ukuthi uscoutwe i-national team qala ngaphambi kokuthi adlalele iMamelodi Sundowns. Wabizwa kwi-camp ye-national team. Karabo, sixoxele about that achievement as a player.
I think the achievement for me as a player, it boosts confidence. I mean, being called for a national team in South Africa means that we are one of the best, like South Africa. And but in national team, ingibone ngidlala ku-Gauteng, eGauteng ngibone ngidlala ku-Prestige, and mengidlala ku-Gauteng i-Sundowns iye yaba khona ama-scout ngoba besidlala ngathi i-provincial tournament ngoba bekunamanye ama-province around i-South Africa. So i-national team yasibona lapho bebasidlalisa i-tournament eyi-one lebizwa nge-TDS. Bese mengifika laphaya ngayo mina umsebenzi wami ukuzi-expressa, then abi-national team coach bangibona, then I think they were happy nge-performance yami, yikho baye bangibiza for i-camp.
Babukeli bethu emakhaya, miningi imibuzo engifisa ukuyibuza uKarabo. Karabo, uzizwa kanjani? Ngibonile ebhentshini ku-under 19 kuno Mark Mayambela, uprofessor. Ngibonile phezulu kunabo Ezra Mnyandoro, kunabo Surprise Moriri. Uzizwa kanjani wena njengomdlali osemncane ucoachwa abadlali sebedlalile lapha ezingeni eliphezulu lebhola lase South Africa?
I think i-privilege ukuba nabantu abafana nabo, abantu abalidlalile ibhola ngoba bayasigayida, bayasitshela yini ekumele siyenze, yini ekumele singayenzi ngoba bona badlulile kule jeni le esithi nesihambayo. Bayazi ukuthi yini ekumele siyenze, yini okungamele siyenze. So thina umsebenzi wethu as ama-player ukubamamela singaphikisi into abayishoyo.
Nawu futhi omunye umbuzo, miningi balalela imibuzo engizoyibuza uKarabo. Ningadinwa yithini. Karabo, indlela odlala ngayo kade udlala ku-Prestige or i-position obuyidlala udlala ku-Prestige, it was more of a winger or an attacking midfielder. Njengamanje Karabo, ngiye ngibone amagemini amaningi esengiwabukile owadlala. Ngithema ngibuka ne-TV ku-Channel 216. Bexoxa ngawe ukuthi i-transformation yakho from being a winger to being a right back. Awungixoxele about that transformation ukusuka nje being an attacking winger or an attacking midfielder to being a right back. Oyidlala kahle kakhulu futhi engaze ngisho ngithi uyabukela kokhuliso Mudawu. Awungixoxele ngale jeni yokudlala i-right back ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale position entsha osuyidlala manje sekuqala kuba i-position yakho.
Kokucala lapha ngidlala i-right back ngingasokola kancane ngoba bengisafunda yabona, but ngokuthi ucoach Tiruye wangisiza, which is manje i-DDC head coach. I think like ngibonga yena ngoba manje ngiyengagain experience, ngibukela ama-best right back around i-continent nasemhlabeni, ngithatha ama-notes ukuthi bayenzani la nala nala. But I think mina ngivuma i-mentality yami ngoba abanye ama-player bona if bayabidlalisa ema-position asemuva bona bangathi hhayi, why kumele ngiyodlala emuva, mara mina ngoba I believe ukuthi into bekumele ngiyenze kuleyo situation situation ukuthi nginganceda i-team ngoba bekunganamuntu odlala e-right back, so ngi-happy nge-decision engiyithathile ngoba iyangisiza nami as a-individual and also isiza i-team.
Karabo, let me compliment you. You have grown to be the best, one of the best right backs ku-Gauteng Development League. Ngiwabukile amagame amaningi. Ngibonile nama-analyst aku-Channel 216 encoma the way odlala ngakhona i-right back. Ngeke uze usho ukuthi wena you were one of the best right wingers and attacking midfielders from a Prestige. La ngikwazi khona from a Prestige you were attacking. From stream B to stream A, you were an attacking player. And then Wafia Mamelodi Sundowns, under 15, you started as an attacking player. And then when you were introduced to under 17, you became a right back. And then under 19, you were a right back and being a captain. Karabo, you are doing a very good job. And please motivate our kids at home. Karabo, you are a motivation. There are so many kids at home who are looking up to you right now. Abalandeli GDL, abadlala ku under 14, abadlala ku ma academy league. Can you motivate them for us? Yini ekufanele bayenze ukuze ba-maintain the standard wena usimaintainile from a Prestige, Sundowns, under 15, under 17, you are one and the same player. Yini ekufanele bayenze abadlali ukuthi bagcine bekulelo zinga?
Mina I think into engingayisho kubafana abafuna ukufika la ngikhona ukuthi kumele basebenze bazohlangana nama-challenges. Impilo vele izokunika ama-challenges mara iya ngokuthi wena uvuka kanjani, uyavuka uzithinthitha kanjani. So mina i-motivation engizoyinika yona ukuthi ntwana zami continue niphushe, impilo izonika ama-challenges mara wena wazitshela ukuthi you are the best. Ngiyakutshela uzofika la ufuna ukufika khona, ungayenzi izinto ezirong. Wena umsebenzi wakho ukuba ne-discipline, usebenze, ulalele. Yinto engizobatshela yona.
I-discipline babukeli, ukusebenza kanzima, ulalele ocoach bakho. Karabo, before sesizovala i-interview yethu. Ngicela ukubuza nje Karabo, how does it feel? uPepe sibe naye la before kwi-interview yethu before. How does it feel playing against a player obukade udlala naye ku-Prestige, sharing the same change room? Now you are opponents. How does it feel playing against a player like uPepe, umuntu odlale naye ku-Prestige?
I think obviously groundini so ama-enemy, but off the field yithi abangani. Ngidlalile naye ethimini e-1 na futhi manje ngoba baceda ukusiza uye ungilandile wangitshela ukuthi ngivuke ngisithinthithe iliga ayikachayene ezingizosho ukuthi so continue siba-challenge. Mara ngibonga le motivation uPepe anginike yona ngoba iyatshengisa ukuthi akusimi i-enemy yakhe kuphela mara uba khona as umngane wami khona ukuza kimi angitshela ukuthi sukuma ntwana yami usithinthithe ngizocontinue nesi-challenge for i-league.
Siyabonga kakhulu-ke Karabo, ngimbiza uStiga. Babukeli, Stream B, Prestige, he was the game changer. Every time he came on, Coach Bheki bengihlale ngilwa naye as a fan. I'm a fan of Prestige Development Football Academy. I was fighting with Coach Bheki every day to put in Karabo. Karabo, every day when he came in, he changed the game. Karabo, there is one goal you scored ku Prestige against SuperSports United, ku Stream A, 2023. Can you tell me more about that goal? Liyatrenda lela goal, ngibonile liyatrenda likhona kuma-video. Babukele emakhaya. Nicheke lela goal elakora uKarabo Modiga. Go to Prestige Football Academy. Nizolibona likhona. Waliskora ngo-2023 i-home game ye-SuperSports e-Centurion. Ngicela sixoxele ngalela goal Karabo ngoba I think elinye lamagoli elakwenza wafinyelela kulezi ngosukulona namhlanje.
Yeah, le goal le I think umsebenzi we-hard work yami. Into engayisho mina ukuthi every after training session benginokupractice shooting and ngale game it happened ukuthi ngicabange grand ngoba siyesigcina seswinanga igame ngalelo goal leliya engilikorile niyo yanginike platform ukuthi ngishane.
Babukeli bethu emakhaya, uKarabo Modiga, captain weMamelodi Sundowns under 19 from Prestige, from Ekasi. Karabo Modiga, thank you very much for giving us this time. Let's talk development football. Thank you, Karabo. Enjoy the rest of your season. I wish you all the best.
Ngiyabonga.